Hey guys, so I was looking here for the crossplay and how it's possible to be done. And this is something that I found. So PC and Xbox, you have crossplay, and PS5 doesn't have a crossplay. So, hey everybody, Xbox plus PC crossplay is live. Here's the instruction. So the crossplay is available between Xbox and PC. Main menu, go to profile, top right. If you're hosting, create a party, show party code. If you're joining, enter party code, join game. And maybe it's going to be also for the PS5 similar style. So yeah, try it out. Maybe it's going to help out to you, but this is what you want to do. You have to click your account name in top right and then select create lobby or show code. If you already started the lobby, then your friend enters a code and they join. And this is what you want to do, and maybe it's going to work out for you. I hope so. So have a great day and goodbye.